Okay, so today I decided to pick the tool. It is called Orange Scrum. It's a project management tool that anyone can use. In this scenario, I'm using the free trial, so some features may be missing than the ones that come in the full trial. So when you first sign up, it's gonna have where it shows you how to do everything. This is the dashboard or home page where, as you can see, I kind of created a sample project here called Thanksgiving Dinner. So it'll show you all of your projects and whether they're completed or not. And it shows a couple of other things as well, like any overdue tasks or stuff like that. So let's create a new project. So you'll go to projects and then create new project. Let's call this just school project. Okay, and then you can describe your project, add people to it, and stuff like that. Let's just go ahead and create it. So once you click on the project, you'll have different things that you can do with it. So you'll see that you're in the project by looking up here. So there's a lot of things right here, but since we haven't created any tests, there's not much to show. So let's go to tasks and then create a task. So you just type in what you want to create, and you can assign it to somebody, what kind of type it is, and what kind of priority you want it to be. And also you can describe it here if you want to put any details. And it's similar to Microsoft Project, but you can put in the start date. So let's leave that. And then put in the end date. Okay. Start date. Let's do the end date here. And then how long you think it's gonna take. And also this one has the option to talk about billing and stuff like that, so how much it's gonna cost and whether you want to notify people or not. So let's just create that task. So you'll see your task created right here. And if we go to the Gantt chart view, you'll see how the activity shows right there. And you can decide to print it, delete it, whatever. And if you go to the users, you can add people here to see who's in your group. And also what's kind of cool about the tasks is that, so if we go back to the first task that we created, if we click on it, you can upload files to that certain task, which is kind of cool. Like any user can do that. And part of, you saw earlier that you could do billing, it would show up right here. And also something that this has is you can log time done on the project. So as you can see, there's a lot of different things that this Orange Scrum tool does. So something that Orange Scrum doesn't do, that Microsoft does, is that it's definitely more detailed as far as what you can put in for the projects, and it'll show you where you have lack and what's a critical path and stuff like that. But I think if Microsoft Project is confusing to you, since there's a lot of things to learn about Microsoft Project, while Orange Scrub is it's very user friendly, and for someone who isn't super technologically advanced, I think it's very easy, and since they have the tutorial, it's very easy to learn. But yeah, I would definitely use this for any sort of project that I would be on. And as you can see, there's different settings that you can change about as well. So yeah, that is Orange Scrub, and you can try it for 30 days for free. Yeah.